The Buccaneer Archipelago consists of 800 islands in the south of the Kimberley. It was named by Philip Parker King in 1821 after William Dampier, an English buccaneer who visited the coast in 1688 and then again in 1699. The multitude of islands is a result of the extensive folding of the Earth's crust in this southern part of the Kimberley, producing widespread undulations through the area. The sea has risen up and down and most recently flooded this area around 10,000 years ago as the Ice Age came to an end. Our first trip that day was down past Hidden Island. We passed some large mudflats and caught sight of a couple of reef herons, both grey and white varieties, as we were to see later on Montgomery Reef. However, the highlight of the trip was Whirlpool Pass. There's only a narrow channel between Hidden Island and Chambers Island. With tides of 8 metres or more, the water forms whirlpools between the two islands. We felt the effect of the whirlpool as the explorer was carried by the water through the area. Our second trip in the afternoon was north of Hidden Island, beside Koolan Island. At the northwestern tip of the island are caves in the rock. These have been explored by archaeologists who have found shell fragments here, which have indicated that these caves were inhabited 27,000 years ago, older than any other community in coastal northern Australia, as far as we know. There is also evidence of relatively recent occupation, just 650 years ago. A Brahmani kite flew across the rocks. On our way back to the ship, we stopped at Nares Point, a headland on Yampi Peninsula, where the folding is particularly spectacular. The rock is Pentecost sandstone, and the multiple layers originally laid down around 1,800 million years ago are very visible. We spent a short while exploring the beach and the cave behind it, which was formed by grey siltstone strata with fallen blocks of sandstone. Not far away, on Koolan Island, iron ore is being mined. The iron ore here is of very high grade and is shipped directly to China and Japan. There were no carriers when we went past, but there were a couple of tugboats ready to assist them when they arrived. Part of the mine is actually below sea level, behind the first layer of rock, which is acting like a dam wall. Further south, we passed the Iron Islands. There are great boulders of ironstone here, grey-black in colour, but not sufficient to be mined. A small group of corellas were flying in the trees. This is truly an ancient land.